Hello there, welcome to another video on investing in stocks. We're skipping the intro. I've never been this excited to make a video, so let's get started. Now, for the first time in, it seems forever, but I think it's about 3 years, we've had a dip in the stock market. So stocks are on sale, so let's see what we can do with it. First of all, I know a lot of you, I get a lot of questions, a lot of emails. Some people are panicking, you're scared, maybe a little bit frustrated. This is the first time the market goes down since you've started investing, but just relax, this is completely normal. On average, we get a correction like this every 12 months. So almost every year we get a small correction of 5 to 10%, but there's no reason for the market to crash. This is just, in my opinion, a healthy pullback. So let's get to it. I think the last dip I can remember was early 2015, where we had some turmoil and the stock market went down maybe 15%. It was a pretty serious correction, but since then it's just gone up and up and up, and now we're having a correction. But the good thing about a correction is there's no big troubles, there's no problems. There's just a couple of iffy things, and the stock market was a little bit ahead of itself. It was a little bit overvalued, so we're pulling back a little bit. But business and economies, so the fundamentals underlying the stock market, are still intact and they're still the same. There is no bad news about the economy and there's no bad news about companies. It's just a couple of sidewinds, sorry. So there's, again, the underlying businesses are the same. Stocks are the exact same. Nothing has changed, just the price. Hence, I call it a sale. Now, my favorite stocks, I'm afraid, is just going to be my good old personal top picks. It's going to be Alibaba, Chinese e-commerce, artificial intelligence and robotics ETF, Activision Blizzard, video game company, Nvidia, chip maker, semiconductor, LIT, which is a lithium ETF, so that's lithium refiners and miners. And if you're not already invested in the stock market, this is a great time to get invested, the perfect time to start. So if you're not sure about what stocks to pick up, I would recommend just go with an S&P 500 fund or a Nasdaq ETF. Just get started. Get into the market now and see how you like it. Because as this correction corrects itself, you're almost going to make 5 to 10% automatically within the next couple of weeks, hopefully. I'm not saying the market is going to recover, but it probably will, okay? And it usually does. And some stocks are as much as 10 to 20% from its all-time high. All-time high is the peak. And we've pretty much been hitting peaks after peaks now for 9 years. So it was about time. So, and of course, the more the stock goes down, the better buying opportunity. And as Warren Buffett says, and everyone will tell you, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. In other words, the most important lesson of investing, what we all try to do, buy low and sell high. And this is your opportunity to do just that. So I would say, this is just my personal opinion, don't get angry at me if it doesn't work out, don't pass on a golden opportunity. This is the world championship of investing. This is when bad investors are separated from the good ones and the patient, wise investors are being made. And what we usually say is people that are panic selling now are dumb money, sorry the expression, dumb money moving out of the market and smart money moving in from the sideline. Warren Buffett and Carl Icahn is not panicking. They're not selling anything. They're just twiddling their thumbs and just waiting for the market to tank, and then they'll buy as much as possible at a good timing. Remember, Warren Buffett, and this is true, Apple had the biggest tank in its history. So it crashed from 135 to, I think it was $90. So more than 30% loss. And Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, bought at exactly $90. And now Apple is at like 160, 170. And that was just a year ago. So it just shows you how some wise investors can really time the market exceptionally well. That's where the term smart money comes from. So pick up your favorite stocks on sale. Don't be scared. Don't be dumb money. Just be calm down. Corrections have always we've always recovered. Even if it's a crash, we'll still recover very quickly. Remember, the fundamentals still going strong. This is when money is made. So go out there, good luck, and let's, for everyone's sake, hope the stock market recovers soon. See you guys.